Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
See, listen, everybody, how long is it going to take? When will your other friends join? Is it going to take more time? Hello? How long is it going to take? Hello? People, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Please
morning,
let.
sir.
Good morning. How many of you have joined? Only 10, I guess. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, you guys are being recorded here. So, maintain decorum. Can we begin or we wait for others? If you want to speak, unmute and speak.
Sir, wait for another 5 minutes, sir.
We'll wait for others.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait. Shall we begin? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Do you see a screen there?
Yes, sir.
What do you see
Yes,
there?
sir.
What do you see?
Yes, sir.
What do you see there on the screen?
Sir, Teams up.
Please speak up. What do you see in the screen? Do you see
Teams
me or
home
do you
screen,
see some
sir.
PowerPoint? Hello?
Sir, Teams home screen only.
Huh? Do you see me or do you see a PowerPoint? Interactive introduction to basic design.
No, sir.
Okay, wait, hold on. What do you see now?
The presentation, sir.
PowerPoint,
see the
sir.
presentation?
Presentation.
Do you
Yes,
all
sir.
see the presentation? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? Speak up.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can anybody read out what's there? People speak up. It's an interaction. It's an interactive session. It's not a lecture. Though I put it as a lecture, it's an interactive session only. Speak up. What do you see in the first slide?
Introduction
Hello?
to basic design.
Introduction to basic design, sir.
And
An interactive session.
An interactive session.
okay, good. See, unlike other lectures wherein you'll be asked to do something, you'll do that and submit it. Okay. Since you're doing architecture, you'll have to learn to communicate. Earlier, you were in a verbal mode. All 12 years, you were studying only words, writing essays, understanding concepts, mugging up and writing. Architecture is not to do with words. Architecture is more visual oriented. So this session is to orient you towards visuals, images, drawings, and the language of design. Clear? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Please feel free. Don't be afraid. Okay, feel free. And when you want to say something, you can say. Okay. Unmute till then. Unmute and
Okay,
speak.
sir.
After you speak, mute the button. Clear? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I want a brief introduction from each and every one of you. Take 30 seconds and tell your name, where are you from, which school are you from, and what's your NATA score. These four. Where are you from, which school are you from, and your NATA score and your name. Yeah, one by one. Speak up. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Should I call out
Yes,
names?
sir. Yes, sir.
Alamin, speak up.
Hello.
Alamin, your name, Where are you
Yes.
from? Which school are you from?
I'm from Malappuram district, Ponnani, Kerala. And I studied in MI Boys, Ponnani.
Okay.
That's all stuff.
Your NATA score?
128.5.
Okay. What was the ranking in? What was the ranking
In WhatsApp.
in NATA?
Sir, it was 2000 something.
Okay. Sri Dinesh. Next, Sri Dinesh. Sri Dinesh, speak up. Hello.
Sir.
Are you there, Sri Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Tell me your NATA score. Where you are from? Which school are you from?
Sir, I am from Tenny, sir.
Okay.
I studied in my school, Vadapatti, Government Higher Secondary School, sir.
Okay. Your NATA
My
score?
NATA score on 110.5, sir.
Your ranking?
Ranking 1798, sir.
Okay. Next, I want Abu Bakr. There? Is Abu Bakr there? Yes or no? Uday Kumar?
Sir, I am PR Uday Kumar, sir. From
What is it?
Salem. PR Uday Kumar, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
From Salem.
Yeah.
Tyagarajar Polytechnic College. My NATA score 89, sir. Ranking
Okay.
forgot, sir.
Fine.
That's all, sir.
Okay. One by one, please speak up. I don't have to call out your names. If you haven't introduced yourself, please speak up.
Hi, sir.
Hi, tell me.
I am Arun, sir, from Palakkad.
You are?
From Palakkad.
What's the name?
Arun.
Arun. Tell me, Arun.
I am from Palakkad. Studied in PMG School, Palakkad.
Okay.
I wrote JE paper 2, sir.
What's the score?
In BR, 54 point something percentage.
400.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 54.8. Okay, fine. Next.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Who's this?
Sir, I'm Sai Karan. Sir. Sai Karan from Madurai.
Sai Karan.
Sir, I'm Sai Karan from
Right?
Madurai.
Sai Karan, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, Sai.
Sir, I studied in Karen Matriculation Higher Secondary School.
Louder, you must speak louder.
Sir, I studied in Karen Matric Higher Secondary School, sir, in Madurai.
Okay.
And I scored in NATA 130.5, sir. My NATA score.
Okay.
And my ranking is around 600 something, sir. I forgot, sir. Sorry, sir. That is my community rank, sir.
600?
Community rank. Community
Are you
rank.
sure?
General rank is 900 something, sir. 907, I think so, sir. 9 something,
Okay.
sir.
Fine, next. Next person speak up. If you haven't introduced, you can
Hello,
introduce. Hi, what's your
Hello,
name?
sir. Santosh
Hi.
Kumar, sir. I'm from Teni.
What's your name?
Santosh Kumar, sir.
Solu Santosh. Tell me, Santosh.
I'm from Teni, sir.
You are from Teni. Good. You speak
Yes,
English,
sir.
nice. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm studying my higher secondary TMH nearby my home, sir.
Okay. What's your NATA score?
As for 110, sir.
Fine. Next.
Hi, sir.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Rajasudha. I'm from Koilpatti, Thuthukudi district, and
Which
I
school?
studied in Editor International School.
What's the NATA score?
108.
Okay. Fine. What's your ranking?
I don't know about rankings.
Fine. Okay. Good. Next.
Hi, sir.
Hi. What's your name?
Naren from Salem, sir.
Naren, is it?
Yes, sir.
Full name?
Narendran, sir.
Narendran. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from? Salem.
Salem, sir.
Okay.
Studied
What's
in
your NATA
Tyagaraja
score?
Polytechnic,
Which
sir.
school are you from?
Studied in Tyagaraja Polytechnic, sir.
Okay.
NATA scored 104, sir.
Fine. Next. After Narendra, who's going to
Hi,
speak?
sir.
Hi. What's your name?
Sir, I'm Ashwin, sir, from Palakkad.
Hi, Ashwin. Tell me, Ashwin.
I studied in PMG school, Palakkad.
Palakkad. Okay. What's your NATA
Uh,
score?
122.
Good.
It's
Fine.
mean 2000 something
Your
ranks.
ranking?
2100 and something.
Okay. Fine. Next. Next person.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Sham from Alier, sir.
Shyam from?
Alier, sir. Alier.
You're not
Hello.
audible.
Sir, I'm Sham from Alier, near Pollachi, sir.
Okay. Near Pollachi.
Near Pollachi, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You're
I
not
completed diploma at PA college, sir. Not 101.5, sir.
Good.
I
Next.
forgot about my ranking, sir.
No problem. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Imtiaz Gani.
Nitya. Where are you from and which school are you from?
I'm from Marakade, sir, Coimbatore.
Okay.
I studied in Sri Krishna Polytechnic, sir.
What's your full name?
Imtiaz Gani.
Nitya?
Imtiaz Gani.
Imtiaz Gani. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What was the NATA score?
95, sir.
95. Okay, good. Next person.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, speak up.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell
I'm
me.
Sibi Charles from Coimbatore. From Coimbatore, sir.
What's your name?
I have
Louder.
studied in.
What's your
I'm
name?
Sibi Charles from Sibi Charles.
Sibi
From
Charles.
Coimbatore.
Okay.
Yes. Coimbatore. I studied
From?
in Hindu Mathematics School. Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. You're a day scholar?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Your NATA score, NATA ranking? NATA score?
98, sir. 98.
98.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Next person, please.
Hello, sir.
Hi. What's your name?
Myself, Manivasan, sir.
Manivasan.
Yes, sir.
You only
I'm
asked
from
for my WhatsApp account, right?
Yes, sir.
You only asked for my name.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Your
from
NATA
Madurai.
score, your school, where are you from?
I'm from Madurai, sir.
Madurai. Okay.
I studied in Tyagaraja Model Higher Secondary School, sir. Teppakulam.
Okay. Your
My
NATA score?
NATA score is 112.5, sir.
112.5. Okay, good. Next
Thank
person.
you.
Next person. That's all. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, Sri Lakshmi, tell me, be bold.
I'm from Kannur.
Okay,
I studied in Matanur Higher Secondary School.
okay.
My NATA score is 113.
113.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next person. That's all. Hello? Only 14 of you are there? Okay. You want mute yourself, please. We'll begin. We won't wait for others. If you don't want to introduce, fine. Only 14 of you are there, right? Somebody check your screen and let me know, because I'm in the presentation, I cannot check. Somebody scroll down, count and let me know.
19 people.
19 people, now 5 பேருங்க. More 5 of them. Speak up, people. I will just read out the name who have introduced themselves. Others should speak. Alamin, Sri Dinesh, Uday, Arun, Sai Karan, Imtiaz Gani, Shyam, Ashwin, Narendran, Rajasudha, Santosh, Sibi Charles, Manivasan, Sri Lakshmi. Other 5 should speak up. Hello?
Hello, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, my name is Vishnu, sir.
Huh?
Vishnu, sir.
Vishnu, எதுக்கு இவ்வளவு லேட்டா நீ இந்த இது பண்ற? லைன்ல இருந்தல்ல? Why
Yes,
taking
sir.
so much time, Vishnu? Okay, tell me your NATA score. Where are you from? Which school are you from?
Sir, I am from Salem, sir. Studied in SSBM school.
Okay, your
And
NATA
my
score?
NATA score is 99, sir.
Good. Next person.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
I'm
sir.
Kevin Solomon.
Hello. What's your name?
Hi, sir. I'm Kevin Solomon.
What is your name?
Sir, Kevin Solomon, sir.
Kevin. Okay,
Yeah,
tell
sir.
me, Kevin.
Sir, I completed diploma in civil engineering in GPT, sir.
Where?
In GPT, sir. Diploma in civil engineering.
Which place?
Sir, Coimbatore, sir. I'm from Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Your NATA score?
Sir, 99.5, sir.
Okay. Next person.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Good morning. Tell me,
My
what's your name?
my name is Asim.
Spell it.
ASIM.
ASIN.
M.
Asim. Okay. Full name?
Yeah. Asim Abdul Qadir.
Asim Abdul Qadir.
Abdul
Fine.
Qadir.
Tell me. Where you
I'm
from?
coming from
Which school? NATA score.
Thrissur.
Yeah.
Kerala. I studied in KKD High Secondary School nearby me.
Okay.
NATA score is 100.2.
Good. Next. 2 more persons. Speak up. Hello. I'm not going to leave. I'm not going to begin the lecture till you introduce the rest of the 2. Don't waste time.
Sir, that includes you, sir. You and Purushothaman, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 19 includes you and Purushothaman, sir.
Okay. Myself and Purushothaman. Purushothaman is there online, is it? Purushothaman?
Interior design means it will function alone, sir. We will add it
What
to
is
it.
the function there? Tell me the function. What is the function
I
of
don't
interior design?
know.
Why do interior design?
What is interior design means? Designing inside the house
Why do you do that?
for attraction, visual appearance.
Okay. Any other function when you interior design your house?
Don't know, sir.
Why did you tell interior design? Is your father an interior designer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
See,
sir.
why I ask you is if it have a functional value is, see, when you interior design, though it is visually appealing, it also has a functional value. When you do an interior design, you do the plan, you choose the color scheme, you choose the lighting, you choose the furniture layout, you choose the circulation pattern. Clear?
Okay,
So
sir.
there's a functional value of accommodating a person. There is a user there. You are designing for a user.
Okay, sir.
All designs are user centric and it has a function. All design, when you speak of any design, it is user centric. It's got a user and it has a function. All design, any design, fashion design, interior design, architectural design, pavilion design, web design, landscape design, user interface design, logo, web page. Design means it's got a functional value. Unlike arts, a painting or a sculpture, which is an extension of an artist's emotion or thinking, it need not have a functional value. An artist painting need not have a functional value. It can have only a visual, it can only be aesthetic. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes,
Unlike
sir.
a designer, an artist's work need not be functional. It can only be visually appealing. Clear? Though it might add to the decorum of the room, it might look good, it might complement the wall, it might complement the living room. Apart from that, there is no functional value for that. Clear? Rajasudha?
Yes, sir.
Good one.
Thank you, sir.
you. Okay. Next, anybody else? Okay, I'll take you to the next level. What's the difference between design and drawing? Uday Kumar. Uday Kumar. Audible? Uday. Hello. Hello. Uday Kumar. Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Why aren't others answering? Ashwin.
Don't know,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Ashwin, you be the class representative, okay?
Okay, sir.
For
Okay,
this
sir.
class.
Okay,
I
sir.
will appoint you as a class representative. from today. Okay. So
sir.
you will take care of interactions, you will take care of assignments, you will take care of interacting with your classmates, asking them to join the lecture on time and all that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You
Okay,
will be
sir.
responsible. If anybody is not answering, I will ask you only. I won't ask others.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So now I want you to post in the comments. Others speak up. I want people like Manivasan, Sri Lakshmi, Vishnu, Kevin, Asam, Sibi Charles, Santosh, Naren, Shyam, Imtiaz Gani, all of them to speak. Is it clear?
Hello, sir.
I
Hello,
want
sir.
others to speak.
Hello,
Hello, who is this?
sir. Manivasan, sir.
Sollu Manivasan, what's the difference between design and drawing?
Sir, design is a plan of an object, sir. Whereas a textile designer, an interior designer. Whereas drawing refers to a draw or sketch images, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between design and drawing then? Is it the same? Is it the same? Is design and drawing the same? Going by your... Please mute yourself. Is design and drawing the same?
Hello, sir.
No, sir.
Who is this? Please tell your name and then speak.
Sir, Santosh Kumar.
Who is this?
Santosh Kumar, sir.
Solu Santosh. Tell me, Santosh. What's the
Sir,
difference
whereas
between design and drawing?
drawing has some more principle to draw, sir. But design doesn't have any principles or any formalities.
For example?
For example, sketches are for sketches we need to have perspective, some or other formalities and principles, sir. For design we doesn't need any more things.
Come again.
Hello.
Back. Getting back to him. Let us speak up. Manivasana. Yaar pesadu munadi? Mute yourself. Mute your mic, please. Don't do that. Who spoke earlier? Hello? Manivasan thane?
Muted, sir. Sir, I am muted.
Okay, who spoke earlier? Manivasan apra yaar pesna?
Sir, Santosh Kumar. I'm Santosh Kumar.
Santosh Kumar, okay. Example 3 repeat பண்ண சொல்லு. சொன்னது 3 சொல்ல சொல்லு.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Santosh.
For drawing, we need to have some perspective, some principles, sir. But for design, we doesn't need any more things.
Why? How will you design a building? How will you design a car? There are principles involved when you design a building. There are certain elements, there are certain principles, there is certain grammar and there is certain vocabulary. The way you arrange a door, the way you arrange a window, the way you do an elevation, all this has got to do with certain visual grammar. How can you say it's not? It doesn't involve principles. Hello, Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na sonnadhu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Drawing la? What are the types of drawing you guys know? Tell me. We'll go to the next topic, but then we'll come back to this again. What are the types of drawing you know? I'll put the question this way. Say if I have to design a car, how do I initially begin with? If I have to design a car, what do I initially do? You draw, right? Yes or no? At least speak up when I'm speaking. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
When you design a car, initially you need to draw the sketch,
Yes, sir.
the form of the car,
Yes.
the style, the
Sir.
various parts, the looks. Right? We're not getting into function. We need to know the size. We need to know how big is the wheel. We need to know how big is the chassis. We need to know how is the window glass looking. If it is seen from the front, how it is looking. If it is seen from the side, how it is looking. How are you opening the window? How are you opening the doors? How is the back going to look? Right? So there's a conceptual drawing. You start with the conceptual drawing, something called a conceptual drawing, a preliminary sketch. Okay? Then you
Okay,
fine
sir.
tune it to size. Then you draw it to scale. After you draw it to scale, you model it, prototype. After you prototype, you manufacture it. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
To
sir.
manufacture, you need working drawings.
Yes, sir.
Prototype drawings, exact size, thickness, material, specification of the material, the paint, and all that you need, right? So initially you begin with the conceptual drawing, then you kind of fine tune it, then you do a working drawing of each and every part, then assemble it and you do the prototype, and then you make the model car, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way, when you design a building, you do the plan, you do the elevation, you do the section, you draw the perspective, you draw a conceptual drawing to begin with. You draw the form of the building, exterior view of the building to begin with. Start off. You draw the exterior view perspective of the building. It could be a 2-point perspective or it could be a 1-point perspective. You want to have a tiled roof, you want to have an exposed brick, you want to put a window there in the front, you want to have a balcony in the first floor. All these elements of architecture you put in, right? In a certain way so that it looks good. And that's a conceptual sketch, that's a preliminary sketch on how the building is going to look. Then you do the plan to size. Then you draw the elevation, proportion, scale, how everything is going to fit in. Correct?
Yes,
Yes?
sir. Yes.
Okay. So we'll stop with the discussion now. I will just clarify the difference between design and drawing. Drawing is a medium of communicating your design. Okay? Drawing is just a medium of
Okay, sir.
communicating your design. Okay? To design, you have to draw. Clear? It is a medium of communicating
Yes,
your
sir.
design. This subject, basic design, which we are going to learn, is also a medium of communicating design. It is not only a medium of communicating design, it is also a medium of thinking design. It is a language of design. Say, for example, for a child, we teach ABC to begin with, the alphabets of a language, and then after a few years we teach the grammar. Say what is a noun, what is a pronoun, what is a verb, adjective, prepositions, interjections, and all that. That's grammar. Same way, the language of design, in the language of design, which is basic design, we have something called alphabets, we have something called principles. Alphabets are also called elements, principles are also called grammar. We call it elements, principles of design. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Don't shout. Who's that? You see, what do you see there? Hello?
Objectives of the presentation, sir.
Read it.
Objectives of presentation, sir.
Express, be foolish, break free, interact, wonder. So all I want you to do is this. All through the presentation, I'll be asking you questions. You don't have to have any inhibitions. Just feel free to speak up. Nothing wrong in being foolish. It's better than being dumb. If you're foolish, you know where you're going wrong, and then you can be clever. But if you're dumb, if you're not going to speak, then there's no road ahead. Clear? So these are the things we learn. Drawing. What's visualization? It's just your thinking process in the mind. What is design? We know. What is creativity? Creativity is hard to define at this language. It's more of a way of thinking. If you get stuck up somewhere in a conventional mode of thinking, you think laterally. That we learn it as you progress in basic design. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Design solution versus engineering solution. What's the difference between a design solution and an engineering solution? Design solution has got varying solutions for one problem. Say if I have to design a building, I will design it in a certain way. That's one solution. My friend will design it a certain way. That's another solution. Somebody else may design it in a certain way. That's the third solution. Design has umpteen number of solutions for one problem. If you have a specific site, I will have many solutions. I will design it in many ways. It can be designed in many ways. So it's got many solutions. For engineering solution, if you have to design a car, it has to have 4 wheels. You can only change the looks. Clear? If you have to
Yes, sir.
If you have to design a number of reinforcement, the total number of reinforcements or the number of steel needed, number of cement needed for a certain column, which the civil engineers or the structural engineers do. There's only one solution. So much grade of steel, so much cement, so much strength. There's only one solution for that. But for design, there's umpteen solution. That's where creativity comes in. Clear? If you take one solution, if you design a pencil in many ways, if you do a composition in many ways, then you're creative. So that's what you're going to be trained at. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Can somebody read this?
What is basic design?
Tell your name and read. Hello. Ashwin?
Yes, sir.
Why
Sir,
so
a
mom that
visual language.
can you guys read what is there on the slide?
Sir, a visual language to aid design, thinking for all, visual and applied art.
What does that mean? It's a visual language. Since we are dealing with drawing, since we are not dealing with words, it's got to do with visuals. So that language which we are going to learn, which is basic design, will help you to think design. You will understand more as we proceed. Say for example, you cannot think without alphabets. You cannot make a word without your alphabet. You cannot learn. You cannot draw. You cannot write a line without your grammar. Right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Pick
sir.
up people.
Yes, sir.
Same way, without basic design, which has got an alphabet, which has got its alphabets and its grammar, otherwise called as elements of design and principles of design, you cannot think. Clear? Elements or building blocks of design, principles or structure or grammar of design, or the syntax of design. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Somebody just read this out. Elements of design. Somebody just read it out.
Naren, sir.
Tell me, Naren. Read this out, Naren.
Point, line, shape, form, color, texture, space.
Okay. So point, line, shape, and form. These can be, the first four can be categorized under form. I will tell you later why this can be categorized under form. Okay. So for now, we will just learn it as point, line, shape, form, color, and texture, and space. We look into this one by one. Clear? What's a point? Point's nothing but a position in space. It's got a certain size. It has got a color. It can have a texture. Okay, that's point. This point, don't confuse it with mathematics or English writing. Point as an element of design. Point not an element in geometry. Point not an element in mathematics or English where you keep a full stop. Point is an element of design. Clear? Point as an element of design does not have a direction, does not have a dimension, it does not have, it is just a position in space. Say for example, if I draw a square and put a point at the center, so your whole visual field is going to look very balanced. Correct? Yes, do you understand?
Yes, yes, sir.
If I draw a square and put a dot right at the center, the whole place is going to look very balanced. The whole visual field is going to look balanced.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here I have to tell you one thing. There's something called frame of reference and there's something called as a picture plane. Frame of reference is nothing but the boundary of your sheet. Picture plane is nothing but the surface of your sheet. Clear? Say if you have an A4 sketchbook, the boundary of the A4 sketchbook of the particular sheet where you're going to draw is nothing but your frame of reference. On surface in which you draw is called as a picture plane. Clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
And you have two-dimensional space. You have a length, you have a breadth in the page. Say for example, if you keep a dot at the center, it's going to look very balanced. If I go to off center the If you're going to off center the point a little away from the center, there is going to be a sense of dynamism. You look as though there is a sense of movement happening there. Though there is not movement, there is a visual tension. Purida, am I clear? Do you guys have a sketchbook?
Yes,
Do you all have a sketchbook?
Yes, sir.
Draw a square and put a center dot in the center and see. Open up your sketchbook. Draw another square and put a dot or a point slightly off center, not at the center, anywhere away from the center, to a little bit of its side, diagonally away from the corner, away from the center, and look at that visual. Yes? Did you do that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What do you see? In the second picture, don't you see a sense of dynamism? Don't you think it makes you a little bit, what to say, not very stable? You look as though there's a kind of disorientation or movement which has happened. Don't you sense a tension there in the composition? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know how many of you are drawing and how many of you are not drawing. So simply don't shake your head or say yes or no. It's for your own good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next one? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next one is a line. Next element of design is line. Point shouldn't actually be called as an element of design because point does not have a position. Point is just a position in space. Because it has got a size, because it can be colored, because it's got a texture, we will correct it, we will just say it as an element of design. Clear? Yes? Depending upon the composition, point can be an element or point cannot be an element. Yes or no? Is that clear? If you're not going to ask questions, it's not going to be clear at all. Okay, I'll put a question. I will say point is not an element of design. Defend your answers. You say point is an element of design and substantiate. I will say point is not an element of design. You substantiate with your own understanding. Tell me. Rajasudha. Rajasudha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. I will say point is not an element of design. You will have to defend by saying point is an element of design and substantiate with your justification. Rajasudha or anyone else? Alamin, Sri Dinesh, Uday, Arun, Saikaran, Ashwin, Manivasan, Sibi Charles, Santosh, Naren, anybody can speak up. I am saying point is not an element, but you will have to defend by saying point is an element of design and justify for that. With whatever I have told you till now.
Sir, point does not have dimension, sir.
Okay, yaar ide?
Uday Kumar, sir.
சொல்லு உதய். Tell me உதய்.
பாயிண்ட்க்கு வெயிட் இல்ல சார், ஹைட் இல்ல சார், டைமென்ஷன் இல்ல. பாயிண்ட் வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் லைன் சார்.
ஓகே.
பாயிண்ட்க்கு கலர், டெக்ஸ்டர் எதுவுமே இல்ல சார். அவ்வளவுதான் சார்.
Okay. Point color texture of which I put a red dot and a blue dot in a composition. So babe.
Okay, sir.
Will it become a element of design?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, these elements are conceptual elements. When you see point as a conceptual element, it cannot be classified as an element of design. Clear? இப்போ conceptual elements என்னன்னு கேப்பீங்க நீங்க. கரெக்ட்டா? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say for example, I see a mountain. அப்படி வேணாம். I see a cardboard shape square. Do I see a line there? Or cardboard square cut பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கீங்க. Do I see a line there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 4 lines are there, sir.
No, you don't see a line there. You see only an edge. Line is what you draw. That is what you represent as edge. Correct? Correct idea. This ஒரு கார்ட்போர்டை ரியலா நீங்க கட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு 4 எட்ஜ் இருக்கும். அத வந்து நம்ம கால் பண்ற லைன் கிடையாது. That's an edge. When you draw the cardboard on a sheet of paper, its shape, then you draw 4 lines. Correct? Line does not exist in nature. அதான் சொல்ல வரேன். Only edges, vertices, surfaces exist in nature. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these elements of design are nothing but conceptual elements. Say for example, line is an edge, shape is got to do with the 2-dimensionality of any object, form has got to do with 3-dimensionality, color has to do with the hue, value and saturation, texture has got to do with tactile and visual. Tactile is when you sense touch and feel a bark of tree, you feel rough. I don't want anybody to disturb me. If I find it, I'll kill you guys. Stop that. Who's that? If you don't want to listen to your first lecture, I know how good an architect you can become. Okay? Texture and space. Space is what you see in the frame of reference. That's in 2D. In 3D, it becomes what you see around an object. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the principles of design. We have learned the alphabets of design. We have learned the ABC. If I have to draw a house in perspective or in elevation or in plan, I will use only line. If it is a straight line, the building will have a plane when it arises. If it's a curvilinear line, the wall will be curved. The roof will be curved. Clear? Purida?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we are using conceptual elements. This whole subject is a conceptual subject. What I mean by a conceptual subject is the elements which you use does not exist in nature. We conceptually define it as a line, shape, form, color and texture for its equivalency in reality. A point can be a vertex. A line can be an edge. A shape can be the geometric name or the dimensionality of the object. The form can be the 3 dimension. The color is nothing but what the light reflects on the surface. Texture is nothing but what you see when how you feel and how you see. In texture, there are 2 kinds of texture. There are tactile texture and visual texture. Tactile texture are textures which can be sensed by touching. Visual textures are textures which can be. We look at this as we proceed. Space is nothing but the 2-dimensionality for a 2-dimensional composition or 3-dimensionality for a 3-dimensional composition. Without space, there can be no design. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Speak up, people. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Principles or syntax or structure or grammar of design. Unity and variety. Harmony, balance, emphasis and contrast, scale and proportion, repetition and rhythm. Please write it down. In your notebook, please write down what are elements of design, what are principles of design. Write this down and say, yes, sir, I have written. Okay? Yes or no? Hello? Ashwin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Speak up, people.
Yes, sir.
Write this down.
Yes, sir.
You written? Who's this?
Yes, sir. Ashwin. Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Karthikeyan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have
Yes,
tried
sir.
elements
It's
of design?
completed, sir. Completed.
Elements எழுதிட்டீங்களா? Elements எழுதிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You written the elements of design? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go to the interesting part. See, look at this composition. It's a composition of lines, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
You got a vertical line, you got angular lines, little vertical, angular line, little horizontal. So you got a composition which is drawn only with lines. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There's a sense of unity there because of its angularity. Ella line inclined there's a sense of unity there. You can see it as a complete image. Correct? Nothing imbalanced about it. Correct? Because of the angularity of horizontal and vertical lines. Frida? Yes or no? Speak up. Only if you speak up, I can understand. I can let
Yes,
you.
sir.
Because of the angularity of the lines, there's a sense of unity there, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Speak
Huh.
up.
Yes, sir.
What brings in variety? What has brought in variety?
It's something different, sir.
Huh? All the lines are in different orientation and different directions, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that has brought in variety. Correct? Yes? Purida?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unity in variety. You can also call, there are compositions which are only united. Say if you draw 4 squares, 4 simple squares together, and I don't color it, okay? 4 simple squares together with an axis up and down, which divides the 4 cubes. Oh, sorry, the 4 squares. I don't color it. Then it is only unity. If I color all the 4 squares with different colors, there's variety. Also, and unity is also there. Am I clear? Am
Yes,
I
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Look at this composition. What is the principle there? And what is the element there? You all have written what is the principle there. You all have written what are the principles and what are the elements. So what is the element there in the picture and what is the principle there? Tell me.
Sir, harmony.
Harmony in what sense?
It's concentrated in the center, sir.
Huh? It's visually pleasing. Right? When
Yes,
it is
sir.
visually pleasing, it's harmonious. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
That's harmony. It can also be called as, this also has a balance. When we talk about balance, there are three types of balance: symmetrical balance, asymmetrical balance, and radial balance. So this has got a radial balance. Clear? It's got a center and lines are drawn radially. So this composition of lines has got radial balance. Am I clear? Speak up,
Yes, sir.
people.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
அந்த மாதிரி ராகலாம் போடக்கூடாது. எஸ் சார் அப்படிலாம் பேசக்கூடாது. எஸ் சார் கிளியரா சொல்லணும். That's like mocking at
Yes,
me.
sir.
I don't take that. இந்த காம்போசிஷன் தெரியுதா? Is this clear? கிளியரா இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
What do you see? Tell
Sir,
me the
we
element.
can-
Tell me the element and tell me the principle.
So point on line.
Sir,
Sir.
balance.
What kind of balance?
Radial.
Radial balance, sir.
If I have to draw it, if you have to make this asymmetrical balance, what will I do? You have to make the same composition asymmetrical. What will I do?
The bond should be at varying position, sir.
No. You see the vertical line which is
It
touching the
should be
center?
different. Sir.
You see the vertical line touching the center? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One half of the vertical line, I will make it just a semicircle. I will not draw lines in that. I will make it as a semicircle for the one half. I will not draw lines in that. For the rest of the other half, I will draw radial lines. Then you see there's an asymmetrical balance. There's an asymmetry there. To find out whether a composition is symmetrical or asymmetrical, you need to draw an axis to the center. It can be a square, it can be a circle, it can be an ellipse. You need to draw an axis. You need to draw an axis right through the center. One half of the object will be different from the other of the object. Then it is asymmetrical balance. If in a square you draw an axis through the center, one half is colored, another half is not colored, then it is asymmetrical. If it is both are colored, there's a visual balance happening when you draw a line, then it is symmetrical balance. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I told you not to do that. Who's that? I'll chuck you out if I find you. Idiot. This is another composition. Okay? Same radial. This is also another radial composition, but the lines are not going from the center. I've just off-centered it. Look at this composition, circular composition. One half I've treated, this half I've treated it in certain way, this half I've treated another way, this half I've treated another way. So you see, you look at this composition. It's called as tessellation. So this is a square. Sorry, this is a square tilted to 45 degrees. Then you have a rhombus kind of thing here. So coloring it, it gives you sense of depth. So this is also a composition which has got unity there. It's got variety there because of the color. It's harmonious. There's a sense of it's not balanced. You see that? There is no balance here. It's neither balanced symmetrically, asymmetrically, or radially. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What do you say about this composition?
It's a contrast.
Contrasting. Good. Who said that?
Ashwin.
Who said that?
Ashwin, sir.
Ashwin, the class representative. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good one. Good one. Good one. So earlier composition we saw only lines. Here we see colors. Okay. So I will introduce color in next class. I will teach you what is color, terminologies of color wheel and all that we'll see next class. So I have given you some assignments in your Ratnam Learning Hub. Can you see that? Check that out, do that assignment, and if you have any doubt, call and ask me or post it. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll find out.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.